Today's recipe is a party recipe, and you know what? Plant-based and planet-friendly. If you've realized and noticed, I've been playing and exploring a lot with plant-based starters and party snacks these days. This is yet another to that gem. I'm showing you chicken keema mayo sandwich, and the star of this recipe is Blue Tribe's chicken keema. Let's begin. Before we proceed with the recipe, it's important to pull this packet out of the freezer and keep it in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. I've done that already. Now, let's begin with the recipe. Let me quickly remove Blue Tribe's plant-based chicken keema in a bowl. It has very high protein and zero cholesterol, and that makes it amazingly healthy. That shows that Blue Tribe and I both care for you. Let's quickly cut a red onion. Let's begin with a kadai or a wok, and to this I'm going to add in regular vegetable oil. Not too much, because remember, we're eventually making a sandwich out of this mixture. Allow the oil to heat on high flame, and once that's done, I'll add in the chopped red onions. While the onions are getting sauteed, let's lower the flame and quickly grind a wet masala. For this, I'm going to use fresh coriander leaves, some chilies. These are fresh green chilies. I like pushing in 3-4 of them. Some cloves of garlic, followed by dried coriander seeds, garam masala powder, and last but not the least, turmeric powder. Let's cover this and grind this into a fine paste. Our paste is done and ready. Let's add this straight into the onions and give this a good mix. Next that goes in is Blue Tribe's chicken keema. I choose Blue Tribe because it's planet friendly and it gives meat lovers the same satisfaction without compromising on taste and flavor. Let's add in salt at this stage and allow this to cook for say 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. With this, off goes the flame. Our keema is done and ready. Let's transfer this in a bowl and allow this to cool down completely. The next step is to start assembling the sandwich. For this, I'm using this triangle-shaped bread slice, and I'm beginning with mayonnaise, which is also planet-friendly. It's vegan. Apply this generously, ensuring that all the corners of the bread slice also have mayonnaise. I'm going to top this up with this keema that we've just made. Let's top this up with some slices of tomatoes. Let's top this up with vegan cheese. Let's place this side of sliced bread like so. Finally, I'm going to apply some butter on top of this slice. And the next step is to toast this or grill this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a combination of toasting and grilling using a pan. Let's place the buttered side down. As I said earlier, I've been exploring a lot of party snacks in the last couple of weeks. If you haven't watched those videos, check the link in the description box below. Let's carefully give this a flip and toast this on the other side as well. Our sandwich is toasted and ready. That's how our sandwich has become nice, crisp and toasty. Let's add in some cabbage, carrot and spring onion mix and start placing in these crisp pieces of sandwich. With this, our chicken keema mayo sandwich is done and ready. And trust me, you won't find any reason to neither try this or any other recipes that we've been exploring in the past couple of weeks. With these Blue Tribe products, I have now become a proud member of a tribe that is doing something planet friendly. You can also join the tribe by going and exploring the Blue Tribe website and exploring a range of products that is planet friendly, super delicious, healthy, and plant-based. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.